Hello? Hello, Tonglam.
Hello.
Can I see your face? Okay, good evening, Tonglam.
Good evening.
How are you today?
I'm good.
Okay, so before we begin our lesson, let's watch a video. It is a short quiz. I want you to guess the name of the animal. It's easy, right? It's very easy. So I want you to guess what is the name. What is this animal? Okay? Okay, I want you to watch. Okay, what is this?
It's a tiger.
Tiger. Okay, let's find out. Oh, it's not a tiger. It's a bird.
Ah,
Here, what is this?
it's a duck.
Duck?
Yes.
It's a dog.
Ah, ah,
Okay, here, what is this?
ah.
What is this? What is this? You
It's
can guess.
a, it, it's a tiger.
Tiger.
It's a tiger.
It's a dog.
Ah,
Here, it's very easy. You can guess it. What is this? What is this?
it's the monkey.
Monkey. Yes, it's a monkey. It's a dog again. Another one. What
It's
is
a
this?
dog.
Dog.
It's a dog.
Oh yeah, it's a dog. Wow. You have one correct. Oh, here.
It's a dog.
Dog. Oh, it's a dog. It's a dog. Okay, here.
It's a lion.
Oh, a
Ah,
parrot. Here.
it's a dog. It's a
Dog.
dog.
Dog. Yeah, you got two correct answers.
Ah,
Oh, here. It's so easy. It's so easy.
it's a dog.
It's a dog?
It's a dog.
Oh, not. Ah, here. It's very easy. Here, what is this?
It's a dog.
Dog again.
Dog.
It's a shark.
Dog. Ah,
It's a shark.
orange.
Okay, here. It's a goat.
It's a dog.
Ah, here.
It's a duck.
It's a duck. Wow. Your
Huh?
answer is duck?
Duck.
Ah, here. What is this?
It's a dog.
Dog. Woof, woof. Oh, it's a
Duck.
frog.
What's that boy?
Okay, last one. It's a bear. Okay, so let's start our lesson. Okay, let's continue this one later if we still have time. Okay? Did you have fun? Do you like the video? Do you like the video? Do you like it?
Yes.
Oh, so is it easy or hard? It's so
It's
hard.
hard.
Yeah, it's funny. Okay, what's your favorite picture? Which of them? For me, I like the duck and frog. It's yeah, the duck and the frog. Do you remember? Okay, so now, Tunglam, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Okay, so listen to me and eyes on me. Oh, our topic for today is all about we need we need you. Oh, we need you. Okay.
We
So,
need you.
mhm. But before that, help Timmy find his way to the campsite. Help Timmy. Can you draw a line? Help
Um,
Timmy to find his way to the campsite.
no.
Help Timmy find his way to the campsite. Okay, so this is the campsite. Oh, yes, very good. So that's the answer, campsite. Okay. So have you tried it? Do you have you tried sleeping at the campsite?
Yes.
Oh, yes. With whom? With your parents, with your friends, or classmates? With with your classmate or with your cousin? Have you tried sleeping at the campsite? Have you tried to sleep there? Yes or no? Yes? Hello?
Mm,
Have you
yes.
tried? I'm asking you. Have you tried sleeping at the campsite? Yes? Oh, you're not. Okay. What can you see here?
Mm,
Okay, I want you to read Tung lang, alone.
alone. Alone. To be alone. To be alone. Is to be without other people.
Yeah, so alone means by yourself, only by yourself. No other people around. You're alone. You're by yourself. Okay? Mm. So look, Emma wants to play, so
Yes.
she left Timmy to study alone. So here, Timmy is studying alone. He's not with his sister. Okay, Emma wants to play, so she left Timmy to study alone. So choose the correct answer. Who is alone? Picture one or picture two? Based on this picture, who is alone? Hello, Tung Lang. Who is alone?
Mm,
Picture one or picture two?
alone.
Are you listening? This is picture one and this is
Picture
picture
two.
two. Who is alone? Picture two? What are you doing?
Picture one.
The answer is picture one.
Huh?
So when you say alone, you're alone. You're the only one. You are by yourself. You're not with other people. Okay? Again, is alone with people or by yourself? What do you mean by alone? With people or by yourself? Do you understand what I'm saying?
No.
Because you're not listening.
Một mình ở một mình, không có người khác. Ví dụ, anh ấy đang ở nhà một mình.
Okay, again, alone means by your hello, by
Yourself.
yourself. It means no other people. Okay, no other people.
Yes.
Again, no other people. I want you to read again. No other.
No other people.
Example, he is
alone at home.
yes, he is alone at home. Alone. So, okay, do you understand it? So the answer here is picture 1. The girl is alone. Okay. Next we have, what can we see?
Research.
Result.
Result.
Okay, what is result? I want you to read this. Result. I want you to read everything. Result means the outcome.
Result. The outcome of final answer. Example. The test result is good.
Yes, the test result is good. Okay, it is the outcome. Okay, when we say result, it is the outcome. So again, please read something. Result is something that
happens because of something else.
yes, because of something else. Like this. Oh, look. Please read.
Cindy is getting excellent grade as a result of her good study habits.
Yes. So Cindy is getting excellent grades as a result of her good study habits. Oh, because she study hard, that's why she got a good grades. She got a good grades. Okay? And it is the result of her good study habits. Okay? Result. What is the result if you will not study? What is the result if you will not study for the exam?
Nếu bạn không học bài để chuẩn bị cho kỳ thi thì hậu quả sẽ ra sao?
What is your answer?
It have the bad grade.
Yes, you'll be having a bad grades. You can say, I will have a bad grade. Okay, so look, oh, you will have a bad grade. Okay, next, what is this?
Helpful.
Yes, helpful means willing to.
Help.
Yes,
Sam is helpful. Every day he helps prepare the table before meals.
yes. So again, Sam is helpful. Every day he helps prepare the table before meals. So when you say helpful, it means you are kind, you are useful, you want to help. Okay, helpful means willing to help, kind and useful.
Hữu ích có nghĩa là sẵn lòng giúp đỡ, tốt bụng và có ích.
Okay, look. Every day he helps prepare the table before meals. What about you, Tung Lam? Do you help your mom to clean the house? Do you help your mom? Yes? No. No. Okay. What about for example, look. Circle the picture of the helpful child. This is picture 1 and this is picture 2. So circle the picture of the helpful child. Yes. Why? Why do you say so? Why is he helpful? He
He
helped the
helped the
he helped the old
grandma.
yeah, he helped the grandma to cross the road. Mm, that's good. So what about you, Tung Lam? What can you do to help others? Or what can you do to be helpful to your classmate? For example, um, for example, um, your classmate lost his his ball pen, his pen. What are you going to do to help him? Your classmate lost his pen. Are you going to help him? Would you give him some
Yes,
of your pen? Would you let
I
him
will help.
borrow? I will help my
I will help
classmate.
you.
Mm, okay, good job. Now we have, what can we see here? What's the next word?
R- Drama. Drama.
Oh,
A play in the theater or on television or radio.
okay, so a play in a theater or on a television or radio. So, for example, in their school drama, Cindy is Cinderella, and Timmy is Prince Charming. So, drama. It is a story with strong emotions like this. It is a play in a theater or on television or radio. So, complete the sentences, then read. Shawang
Someone wants to join the school drama. He wants to be the talking tree.
Yes, okay. He wants to be the talking tree. Like this. Do you want to be a talking tree? Like Shawang?
No,
No. So, here. How to form the present continuous tense of the verb. So, we have here subject. Who is talking? That's the subject. That's the noun. Subject. Am is are. Am when the subject is I, is when the subject is singular, are when the subject is plural, and then base verb plus ing. Again, I am walking. I am singing. I am writing. Can you give an example? Use I am. I am.
I am dancing.
I am dancing. What about he is? He is drawing a flower. She is singing a song. Cindy is dancing. Can you give an example? Use the word is. And
He
ing.
is
He is.
he is dancing with me.
Yes, he is dancing with me. Very good. Next, we have are. We are walking. We are riding. Or you can also use are with you. You are teaching. You are dancing. Okay, give me an example. Say are. Present continuous tense.
Mm.
Use it in a sentence. Are.
We are we are dancing.
We are.
We are
We,
dancing.
yes, we are dancing. Okay, good job. So next we have here. Okay. Oh, so what's your answer here? Please write your answer. Number one and number two. Oh, look. If the base verb ends in E, okay, if the base verb ends in E like come, you will remove the letter E. You will remove the letter E and then add ing. Okay, coming. You will remove the letter E and add ing equals coming. Okay, so writing coming, this is wrong. Okay, do you understand?
Yeah.
Yes. Next, if the base verb ends in consonant, vowel, consonant like this, consonant, vowel, consonant, you will double, the last letter. So so here, instead of saying swimming, this is wrong. Okay? Because you need to double the M. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, can you write the answer here?
He is
Please write. Please write.
uh
Viết câu trả lời.
Write the answer. And the number one, what is the answer? Number one. Okay, we have here. In she's standing in front of her house.
House.
And we're sitting on a bench in the park. Very good. So all of your answers are correct. Okay, good job, Tung Lam. Okay, I want you to read the story. The children,
The children at the summer camp are preparing for the closing
Sarah.
ceremony. So one by Timmy keeping near his hand.
Hands, weeping like this, crying, weeping. What happened to him? Timmy. Please read. Timmy.
Timmy, what are you doing here? I'm doing nothing. Just leave me alone.
Oh, so he wants to be alone. He wants to be with himself.
Come on, Timmy, what's wrong? I always try to help my friend, but the results are always so sad.
Oh, so he wants to help his friends, but the results are always so bad. But,
But we are know you try your best, and you are really quite helpful. Really, I'm seeing that no one needs my help anymore.
oh, so he is so sad. We all do.
We are two. Cindy is scratching a drama and she wants you to be an actor. Wow, that sounds good. I'd love to try.
Okay, I love to try.
And I'm also looking for a singer for my
Singer.
band.
Again, it's not singer, it's singer.
Singer
For
for my
my,
band. Actually, I'm much better at singing. Let me do both.
oh, so Timmy is happy now because Shawang and Cindy needs his help. That's why the title of the story is We Need You. Okay, so let's continue this one next time. Okay, we didn't finish the activity, so let's continue this topic next time. So that's all for today, Tongla, and it's time to say goodbye. It's already time. So bye bye, Tongla. Good night and thank you.